So, my girlfriend loves BB.
You read my mind.
I'll take you to a BB concert.
Sorry, I got excited.
I'll take you, yeah.
I would.
If she ever comes by, I'm down to go too.
Bro, I love that woman.
Loves her. As you see by that clip, she loves her. Inspiration. Got it. As a boyfriend, you take a mental note. Got it. It's in the brain. So what I'm trying to do, I'm trying to surprise my girlfriend with BB. To be honest, I never figured out a way how I can do it. I think it is possible, but I just want to see her happy. Anyways.
So pretty. Oh my gosh, she bending over.
You read my mind. You read my mind.
And she took off her clothes for that shit. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I'll get a call. Risk it till the last time. Yeah.
Let's go!
Have you ever had a dream that
I love her.
Briefly, what you talk about?
Just talked about like how I've never been to Korea and I'm so American.
With her?
And yeah, with her. Just like talked about how my favorite song by her is Step, and like asked her favorite song, which was Casino, and I really vibe with that too.
But she was surprised when he said Steph.
Yeah, she was really surprised. Like she gave me a hug because of it. So
Well, I'm glad.
let's go. Yeah. She was really dope, really down to earth. She was just really nice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, she was really chill.
nice. Yeah, she like had a full blown conversation with me.
Yeah?
Yeah. Shout out to Ted Park.
Ted Park.
Shout out to BB. And shout out to my baby.
Let's go. Yeah, shout out to BB though. Thank you for being so nice. Just want to see you happy. Glad you got to meet her. So. I'm glad I got to meet her too. I'm a fan too, BB. Just like. You enjoy your surprise?
Yes.
I think you actually got the best experience, really, to be honest. Or the best experience. I don't see anyone like topping that.
Hey, you better subscribe.